Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check whether a specific channel is monetized or not. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So now we are on my channel and I have only 12 subscribers, so there is no chance that I will be monetized. So all you have to do is right click anywhere over here and click on this view pay source. Now a new window will open up. Now you have to press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and just type monetization. And you have to check this monetization underscore enabled. So value you have to check which is false. So this means my channel is not monetized. Okay. So I will go and close this window. Now let's check a channel which is monetized like this one. So I will right click on this view pay source and wait for it to load again and control F and monetization. And as you can see, the value over here is true. That means this channel is monetized. So friends, it is this simple to check whether the channel is monetized or not. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.